Hello, everyone, and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be learning all about how to install Git Bash on your laptop. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna get on Git SCM website using this link. Then the second step, you're gonna click on the operating system in which you're operating from, like Mac or Windows or Linux. Then you're gonna select your system setup for Windows because I'm installing it on Windows. You're gonna choose whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. If you want to check this, you need to go on your control panel and search about on your laptop. Once it's downloaded, you can click on install. And then step 5, you're gonna click on finish. And that's how you have Git Bash on your laptop. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it down in the comment section down below. I'll see you in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis.